Hello students and welcome to the online English classes. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 1, How Daddy Played Ping Pong by Alexander Ruskin, part 9. So let's get on to the text. But I am, said the professor and drank the medicine himself. Then he added in a whisper, if I talk your parents into letting you play through the season, do you promise you'll go back to school in September? Yes, said little daddy. Now students, what the professor did? The professor himself drank the medicine. I already told you in the previous video that he gave a glass of water and he put some drops of medicine into it. So the professor said, this is not for you. I am sick and that's why I am drinking this glass of water. And after that, what he did? He whispered to him that if I'll tell your parents that let him play this ping pong game this season, will you go back to the school in September? And to this, little daddy said, yes. If they will allow me to play ping pong this season, I will definitely go to school this September. Next para. Then the professor summoned grandpa and grandma. He said, the boy is absolutely sane. Let him play ping pong. He's missed most of the term anyway. And he took some more medicines. Okay, in this paragraph, now what did the professor do? The professor summoned. Summoned means he gave a gist. He gave a small explanation to grandpa and grandma, that is little daddy's parents, about the conversation which took place between the professor and the child, that is little daddy. The professor also added that the boy is absolutely sane. Sane means mad. So according to the professor, what happened to little daddy? According to the professor, he thought that he is absolutely mad and he advised little daddy's parents to let him play the ping pong because he has almost missed the terms and his studies. So it's better let him play the ping pong. And then what happened? Then they took some more medicines from the professor. Next, and so little daddy and his parents went home. And after taking the medicines, what happened, students? Everybody, that is little daddy and little daddy's parents, they came back home. Next, little daddy's team didn't win the tournament, but it did take second place. So what happened? Now he was busy. As the professor said, let him play ping pong. So he was busy, practicing the game ping pong, and he participated in the tournament. But what happened? They didn't win, or he didn't win in the tournament. But yes, what happened? He took the second place. Next line. And daddy still insists that the year was not wasted. He realized that ping pong wasn't the most important thing in the world. He even began to miss his school. He went back the following September and eventually graduated. So now what is happening over here, students? After he came second in this ping pong tournament, he realized that ping pong is not the most important thing in the world. And then he decided that he is not going to waste the further year and he'll be going to school. And for that, what happened? He also started missing his school. And he eventually graduated and he went to the school the following September. Remember, he promised the professor also that if his parents are going to allow him to play ping pong this season, he is going to go back to the school this September. So, in the same manner, he did the same thing and he also kept his promise and therefore he went back to the school. And that's it in this video, and we'll be continuing in the next video, the last part of this explanation.